Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day of, what is it, DeadbeatGarage's little meet thing? You know, that Dyno day, whatever it's called, whatever he's doing. Anyways, I got invited down there. So that's exactly where we are going to go right now. So if you guys watched the last video, then you would have saw that I pretty much spent all day. We tried building that EF hatch for Tommy in a day. Did not go well. Yeah, anyways, that was pretty much the whole video. And then now today I just cleaned up the car a little bit, fixed up the manifold for Junior, blocked off the wastegate port. And now we're going to go rinse the car off really quick and get going out to Tempe. Maybe. This car doesn't like to start. I really need new grounds. Okay, let's go. Okay, rinsed off. I just gotta run to the gas pump real quick and wipe my windshield off because race car life, no windshield wipers. What's up, old man?
See what this old fucker's gonna put down on 14 PSI. I've never run it on 14, so.
Oh, that's right.
I got some E70 in here right now.
I can smell it.
So I just filled up E69 on the delicious tuning app.
Nice.
So, yeah.
I just brought the DA out.
Did you? Nice. Yeah. Well, I'll catch up. Hey, it's my buddy Rocky.
How's it going?
He's a new fabricator, bro. ChrisSadowski had his own YouTube channel, does all this stuff. Oh, I just saw Doge. He's on his way.
Okay, yeah,
I just saw him.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, brother.
Top down, titties out.
Yeah, AC cranks, man.
Yeah, I just parked at the end. There might be a spot at the very end. If not, Chapo just backed in pretty much behind me. Sweet. I brought the Integra, so.
Killer. The show car.
So I've been here at the meet for probably like 20, 25 minutes. Been talking to a few people. Got the car here with my broken windshield and everything else. Tommy and Bravis are late to their own party. Tommy is on the way. I guess Bravis stopped and showered, so we're just gonna wait and hang out with them. They're already starting up the dyno stuff. There's Subaru on there right now, but I don't know. We'll see how this day goes. I mean, it's hot. It's still summer.
Why did you sound so depressed about the Subaru being on the dyno?
It's a Subaru. Nobody cares about Subarus. We got an Evo right there. Why would I care about a Subaru?
Smash that unsubscribe button.
This dude's showing up late, like an hour late to his own party. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 12:30. He's showing up. I've been here for an hour. He's an hour late. You're late. You're late. 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 Late.
Hey, we're gonna come stay close to your house tonight.
Okay.
If you're doing that, we can over tomorrow. But tonight, hey, we're gonna set up the tents like right here. Huh? We're gonna set up the tents right there.
There you go. Hopefully that works for you.
All right, yeah.
That was really tricky for me to take that. That's such thin material, so I'm really proud of that. I hope you are too.
Yeah, we'll work.
Right.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Junior sacrificed his wastegate flange yesterday for the wastegate flange for this car because he's putting that on his Toyota, I guess, and he needed that blocked off anyway, so I blocked it off for him.
And I jumped it.
You know, I've had like 6 or 7 people ask me if we got this thing running last night.
Dude, I did too. I'm like, I wish we did, but
yeah.
Dude, that, like everyone said, that was weeks worth of work, bro.
Yeah.
That we even did last night. I mean, it was.
Yeah, definitely, at least.
That was weeks worth of work that we did 5 hours.
Oh, this thing has ramps, right? Oh, yeah. You trying to put your glass in right now?
No. I ain't doing nothing. I'm tired. I'm going to like literally clean this car up here in a minute, and that's as far as it's getting to me.
Yeah, it's hot out.
Yeah, dude. It's terrible.
Sports bracket didn't fit on the block,
Yeah.
so I had to use that, and
This
then
thing's super clean.
I did the only way I could run the AC lines. I had to do the plug in the military plug. This
Oh, the
quick-
mil spec.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mil spec. That's
Yeah,
sick.
so I had to use that because I couldn't run all the wires in the original hole.
Yeah.
So I was like, damn, I gotta find somehow, and I found that design. So that'd be perfect for the engine harness.
Yeah.
And everything else, I could run it through the hole.
Yeah, this is a sick little car. Definitely has a sleeper look going on, other than the TEs on the outside.
And then I convert the dash too. I convert the dash to the CRX with the.
Oh yeah, with the DC2 cluster.
Yeah.
That's sick.
No, that's not Dyno.
You sleep in?
Huh?
You sleep in?
I wanted to be fast and be late, man.
You're 2 hours late.
Better late than never, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning, Bravest.
Good morning, brother. Rough day for sure. Rough morning.
How late did you guys stay last night? Because I left at like.
Well, I was up till 5 a.m.
Oh, yeah, I left at like.
Then went to bed. I was like, I gotta be there in like 4 hours.
You can sleep when you're dead.
Yeah.
Shiloh's here.
Where'd he go?
I got over before you guys got
What's happening, buddy? Yeah, that's next.
I would say it's.
Nash, your boy, showed up too. Yeah, and you never seen Shiloh Civic either. This thing's wild.
This thing is insane.
Yeah, it's very, very cool. Shiloh is back there in the green.
Okay, Charlotte. Is
He-
it, I
he's a
assume
nice
it's
fellow.
Rear-wheel drive converted.
Yeah, S13 rear end. Your boy built the braces back there.
Really?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Are you getting scolded for being on your car too much?
Yes.
What up?
What's happening? Can I get on?
How you doing, man?
Did you get my sweaty ass on camera?
It's alright, I'm sweating a little bit.
Are you?
It's on my forehead. No.
She'd have had a Trappy burger and don't.
Travis Scott burger?
It was so good.
What is it?
I also hadn't eaten all day.
was
It was
waiting
like
for her.
barbecue sauce, bacon, or I thought it
So
was
I'm saying
barbecue
that
sauce.
barbecue sauce on my
On my
titties.
titties. Lapping it up with that Travis Scott burger.
But
Vlog at, bro?
Where's the vlog at?
We're
Trying to take some B-roll shots right now.
Yeah, I'm just trying to record every car for the video.
Every single car.
Yeah, I recorded every single car. I mean, except for the Quattrocas, because we don't record those.
You see the toy that your dad got?
No.
Somebody gifted him a toy, and
Oh, the Honda toy?
yeah.
Yeah, he the dude sent me on Instagram. He told me that he's gonna send it. He's gonna bring it for my dad.
You know what he was telling your dad?
But
It was like for when you don't do your chores, you can make believe that you're doing your chores by.
oh yeah, the little guy for washing the car. Oh my god.
didn't at first.
So you guys might remember Rob from when we built his exhaust on this car, and looks like he got a little bit bigger of a turbo.
Now I kind of want to try that.
Gosh dang. He said it's on low boost right now, still making 600.
Yeah, like 12 pounds.
Yeah, that's insane. Still looks good though.
Just gotta put a hood back on it.
Still a show car.
Still a show car. Still has the original stereo.
Does it really?
It does.
That's nice. This is wild. So you literally had to like notch that. Oh yeah, you can see the burr marks. That's freaking crazy.
Needs to put the exhaust back.
But you left your AC bracket on there. Why?
I don't know. So now it's like full commitment, as you can see, understand.
So now you have to fit your AC back in here?
Yeah, we're just gonna finish out the exhaust, put the hood back on, and then from there we'll put the AC back in.
I need to learn how to do teardrops.
I did that.
Did you? Tommy was gonna show me. The guy that we were building the hats for.
I did it with a bandsaw in my front yard.
Really? Yeah, he said it's just cutting it at an angle and then just like shaping with a flat disc or something.
That's it, yeah.
Alright, so it's been a really long day. Chapo's car is about to get on the dyno. I just want to see what that thing makes because he's never actually put on a dyno. It's just been street tuned and stuff. But we're getting tired. It's been a long day, long hot day. So we're gonna go after this, probably pack up, try and go find a restaurant or something, get some dinner. Gunshots.
Super poppy.
Super poppy.
Love the poppies.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the day. I am so tired. It's been a really cool day though. It was really nice meeting a lot of you guys, talking with everybody all day. And anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Again, go check out Tommy's channel and Bravis' channel. And yeah, me and Tommy are gonna get some food, call it a night. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.